Hi, I've seen this watch popping up on AliExpress and eBay over the last few months. It's the Pagani Design BB58 and was particularly interested when Jody over at Just One More Watch did a review and gave a very good review on it. I'll pop a link in the description. I bought it when it was on sale and I paid £89 for it and ordered it about 6 weeks ago. After 2 weeks, I had a notification that my order had been cancelled, which was disappointing to say the least, because it had then gone up to over £100. And I messaged the seller and he said that he had withdrawn the watch from sale because there had been some issues, and I think some of the faults that Jody had pointed out, which were the poor finish on the side of the case, and the seller said that they were rectifying those issues. So the watch was then dispatched a couple of weeks later, and it's just arrived this morning in a box which I have so far not opened. Now, you probably all know that the Pagani Design BB58 is a homage to the £2,840 Tudor Black Bay. I would never pay that much for one, as much as I think it's a lovely looking watch, but I was happy to pay £90 or so for this one. So this is a true unboxing from scratch. So I'll get out my trusty Swiss Army knife and have a look to see what we've got inside. Oh, there we go. Oh, I've just marked the box, never mind. But I think this will be a keeper rather than moving it on, as I have done with a couple of watches just recently. Okay, so previous Pagani Design boxes have had a little magnetic clip, but this is a two-piece box. Oh look, it's come with a nice NATO style strap and the polishing cloth, and there is the watch. Looks pretty good to me. Feels very weighty. And the side of the case finish looks absolutely fine to me. Screw down crown. Very positive bezel. I don't know how many clicks it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a tiny bit of backlash. Very nice clasp. And it's got the extension there. Well, I've got to say, so far I'm thrilled with that. I shall get it sized up, take off the plastic bits, and I'll be back shortly. Hi and welcome back. Right, I've sized it up for my wrist and I've taken out 3 links. They are screws and I found a couple of them to be quite loose in the strap, so if you do get one of these, I would just check that they are tight. But that's sized up for my wrist, and nice back, solid end links, and on the wrist it sits very nicely indeed. So I am genuinely very happy with that. The dial has got a very nice sort of waffle look to it. Everything lines up accurately. What I did notice, I did initially take out 2 links and did the micro adjustment to the shortest setting, but what I found was that the diver clasp wouldn't fit properly, so you aren't able to use that 3rd hole. So I put it on the maximum length and taken out 3 links. But yes, very happy. So within the case you get a warranty card, and if you scan it, it will activate the warranty. You get an instruction book and a guarantee card. And this strap that they've included is actually made for Pagani Design. It's got their text and logo. I don't know whether I'm capturing that on the camera or not. And it says in the blurb that you get a sapphire crystal. So just to test that, yeah, it is a sapphire glass. So all in all, I'm thrilled to pieces. I don't know about timekeeping. I won't bother with dimensions, but you can see it's a reasonably sized watch, but it looks good on my wrist. So I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. Any comments, please do.